Sometimes there's little warning.
And in several cases, companies are not actually required to report when they have a lot of layoffs. KETV News Watch 7's Quinicia Fraser helps us get the facts.
Searching for work.
I've never had to do this ever in my life.
Is new territory for Cindy Thurman.
I'm not going to ask my family or anybody else for help, which I'm sure people do, but that's just not me.
She's a registered nurse, but after injuring her leg years ago, she picked up a job at a call center. Well, that job ended in March when she was laid off.
I hate being at home all day long. That makes me crazy.
Thurman is one of hundreds of Nebraskans who have to reach out to the State Department of Labor to file for unemployment after a layoff.
I could do this at home, but I always have questions.
And because of a federal act from 1988, employers are required by law to provide a 60-day notice before a plant closing or layoff. WARN stands for Worker Adjustment and Retraining Notification. However, this act only applies to companies in certain cases.
In general, employers are covered by the WARN if they have 100 or more employees, and the layoff is going to affect more than 50 workers.
Gerardo Lara is a division chief with the U.S. Department of Labor. If employers don't comply with WARN, his office doesn't necessarily intervene, but there is something employees can do.
They can actually file a lawsuit in the federal district court and pursue reimbursement or compensation through a lawsuit.
It is also not a requirement to post WARN notifications, but Lara says most states, including Nebraska, do post them online.
So if we know of a layoff, we make outreach to that company.
Jody Easter is the program coordinator for trade and rapid response with the Nebraska Department of Labor. Whenever the state learns about layoffs at a business, Easter says they offer rapid response services.
Helping with job search, helping with resumes, referring to jobs, referring to partners. We have someone from our retraining program. So we have a dislocated program that provides some training benefits to dislocated workers.
Easter says that's offered at American Job Centers throughout the state, places like the Department of Labor office in North Omaha.
It helps you to like your resume.
Where Nebraskans like Thurman hope to pick up the pieces and get back on track.
I keep looking for jobs and, applying for them. So I guess that's all I can do.
Quinicia Fraser, KETV News Watch 7.